Welcome to Resolve Nutrition and Training. We are thrilled to have you join our community. At Resolve, we believe in empowering individuals to meet their health and fitness goals no matter where they are in their journeys.
Whether you're just starting out in your fitness journey or you're an elite athlete looking to optimize your performance, we're here to support you every step of the way.
Resolve means to decide firmly on a course of action. It's where we get the word resolution from. As we know, resolutions often fall apart, but when you make a prior resolve, that's where big change comes in.
Our personalized coaching approach is centered around building sustainable habits and tracking your food. This is to ensure that you are fueling your body correctly for whatever your goals may be.
We provide you with the tools and knowledge to improve your lifestyle, from nutrition planning to meal prep and everything in between. Join our community and start your journey towards a healthier, stronger, and more resilient you.
Together, we'll resolve to make your fitness and nutrition goals a reality.